sure where I'm gonna put it, but I like it.
Tell her no stress, no big. Baby, I'm just too jiggy. Better know I brought that with me. Case they get too iffy. Baby, don't stress, don't sweat it. Put it all on my daddy. Niggas know how I'm coming. And they know what we hang around through that left side.
It's comfortable, it's pretty big, nice space.
I brought that with me. Case they get too iffy. Baby, don't stress, don't sweat it. Put it all on my daddy. Niggas know how I'm coming. And they know what we hate. Run around through that left side, low end. All of my niggas need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out. Cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown, GN. Working all through my weekend. Hoping these niggas don't show out. Cause all of my hitters too deep in. Fuck with the boy, I'm so ashamed. Ain't worried about shit long as my money and my dope. Baby, I ain't got work tomorrow, tell me what the business is. Ain't about no club hop hoe, I'm trying to start some businesses. Shorty, fuck you thought it was, they better know it's not that. Talking all that shit online, they knowing that it's not fact. Sliding through my hood, I make maneuvers like a Uber, baby. Got a 10-year plan, these niggas can't tell what they doing lately. And I'm way too clean, I'm Listerine, I thought they been knew it. Blunts all in my lungs, I got my red cup full of that Henny fluid. Young middle Mac, I'm swinging that leg, I'm banging that do or die. And I ain't that holy, ass holy, before I get crucified. Living in my bloodline, bitch, this place shit in my...
Done getting put together, that was pretty easy. It was comfortable, it's big, it's sturdy. Let's see what else. It's good for like sitting, talking if you're doing like a presentation or like vlogging and want to talk about a product or like an unboxing. So we're gonna see. And I actually don't mind adding 2 more chairs, like right here and right here. But my boyfriend, he likes to have it like spacious in here. So I'm still debating. I may still get 2 different chairs that go with the living room. But yeah, I'm just keep that right there for now.